This is a simple video of demonstrating where to pull what for removing bumper from S60 or V60. I think this year range is 2010 to about 2014 or so. Up top you got a bunch of push pins, so those have to be pushed down in the center and then pulled up. You want like a small flat blade or a cat's claw or something like that. It should come out pretty easily. Around the side you're going to have forks in front of the wheels. Look to be maybe like a T25 or so. Get yourself a right angle ratcheting driver. This one's a hex driver ratcheting right angle. It will help save you a lot of time, allow you to get up in between without having to turn the wheel and do all kinds of silly nonsense. And underneath, down here, up underneath, you've got some more torque screws, kind of the whole way down. Thanks, buddy. Whole way down, you've got torque screws up under this front lip to take off. Yeah, should be pretty easy.